Hi guys, welcome to Dino's World. Welcome to another surprise vlog. Guess what? I'm getting another bike. This is going to be a secondary bike, and Vicky is here with me. Both of us are heading out to bring the bike home. So which bike is it? That'll be a surprise for you. And this is for my daily commutes and daily use. So let's see which bike comes home. ఇక్కడ సూపర్ బైక్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ సూపర్ కమ్యూటర్ ఉంది. సో ఏ బండికి ఆ బండి క్యారెక్టర్ స్పెషల్ అనమాట, అన్నిటిని రెస్పెక్ట్ చేయాలి. సో లెట్స్ హాప్ ఆన్, లెట్స్ గెట్ గోయింగ్. So guys, we are here at Sairam Forklift Services. అంటే మనకి ఆల్రెడీ ఈ సూపర్ బైక్ అన్బాక్సింగ్ వీడియోస్ అని చూస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా, దాంట్లో ఫోక్ లిఫ్ట్తోనే ఆ క్రేట్ని బయటికి తీస్తారు. ఐ హోప్ యూ అసిస్ట్ us in unboxing more super bikes in the days to come. But it's such a pleasure. Sir is such a humble gentleman and such a wonderful person. He has been very kind enough to give us all the paperwork. అండ్ నేను బండిని ఇవాల్యుయేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా హీ డింట్ ఈవెన్ హెసిటేట్ వన్స్. ఈ బ్రదర్ తీసుకొచ్చారనమాట ఫర్ బైక్ని ఇవాల్యుయేట్ చేయడానికి, యమహా ఆథరైజ్డ్ దీంట్లో. సో దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ వీ గో హెడ్ వెన్ యూర్ బయింగ్ అ యూజ్డ్ మోటార్ సైకిల్. అంటే పేపర్స్ అని కరెక్ట్ ఉండాలి, ఎటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం లేకుండా అన్ని ఇవాల్యుయేట్ చేసుకొని దాని తర్వాత తీసుకుంటే మీకు ఒక మంచి బైక్ దొరుకుతుంది. టుడే ఐఎమ్ సో బ్లెస్డ్ దట్ ఐ గాట్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ కండిషన్ మోటార్ సైకిల్ ఫ్రమ్ సర్. సో చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సర్. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ షూర్ యూ గోనా ఎంజాయ్ all the precious moments we're going to share together while riding on that motorcycle. So thanks for joining. Next మనము ఈ బండిని తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇంకా we'll beautify it in signature Dino style. Are you ready for it? Let's get going. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. MT15 comes home. Okay, so my new baby has come to the place where we get quality care, and this is the man behind offering best services, Venkat, a person whom I trust completely. చెప్పేదన్నా చెప్పు, నవ్వుతూ ఉంటావు. ఎంతసేపు అని నేనే మాట్లాడుతూ ఉండాలి. సరే, మొత్తానికి బండి చూపిస్తున్నాము. అదిరిపోయింది అన్ని యాంగిల్స్లో కూడా. ఆల్రెడీ మీరు చాలాసార్లు చూసి ఉంటారు, అయినా కానీ కొత్త బండి మోజు కాబట్టి కాసేపు డిఫరెంట్ యాంగిల్స్లో చూపిస్తాము. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఇంకా బెటర్గా తయారు చేయబోతున్నాం. ఎస్, సో ఏమేమి ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్లు చేయబోతున్నాము, వెయిట్ అండ్ వాచ్. సో గైస్, ఫర్ దోస్ హూ డిడ్ంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఐ జస్ట్ స్పోక్ ఇన్ Telugu, దిస్ ఇస్ Pearl Yamaha. దిస్ ఇస్ వేర్ ఐ బ్రింగ్ మై Yamaha motorcycles for service. My R1 was taken care of well here. This is the MT15 2020 model, ice fluo vermilion color, one of my favorite color shades. Okay, so all set. The bike is parked inside to get the care it deserves. So now we are heading out for lunch. Let's hope we get some lip smacking food. Telsa, Teresa. Avana. ఎక్కడ వెంకట్ గారు, మా హీరో గారు వచ్చేసారు చిరునవ్వుతో. రైజింగ్ స్టార్, షైనింగ్ స్టార్, ఆయన బర్నింగ్ స్టార్ కాదు, బర్నింగ్. పద మాన్యువల్ సర్వీస్ మాన్యువల్. నవాబ్స్ రెస్టారెంట్ ఇక్కడ ఇదేనా మండి? ఇదేనా ఉందా? ఓకే, ఇది కాదు, సారీ, క్యాన్సల్. నవాబ్స్ రెస్టారెంట్. సో మనం రెగ్యులర్ అటెండెన్స్ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తాం వెంకట్? మండి. ఇది ఏం మండి, దీని పేరేంటి అసలు? మండి కింగ్ అంట. మండి కింగ్. మండి కింగ్ లాగా. కింగ్ మనమే, మండి ఈయన. మళ్ళీ బొంగు ఎవరు? అదే మన మండి కింగ్. మండిలో కింగ్. వావ్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ వీడియో. స్టెబిలిటీ టెస్ట్ అయిపోయింది కెమెరాది. క్రెడిట్ గోస్ టు విక్కీ. మోటో
వితౌట్
మ్యాడ్నెస్
స్టెబిలైజర్.
విత్
స్టెబిలైజర్ ఆఫ్ ఉండే.
అవునా? అయితే నువ్వే స్టెబిలైజర్ అయిపోయినావు. హ్యూమన్ స్టెబిలైజర్గా ఎవరన్నా రెంటల్ సర్వీసెస్ యూజ్ చేయాలనుకుంటే విక్కీ గారిని మీరు కాల్ చేయమని మనవి చేసుకుంటున్నాం.
ఓన్లీ కెమెరా
ఓన్లీ
వేసుకొని
చిలిపి
దొరికిందే ఛాన్స్. దొరికారంటే అయిపోయింది అన్న
సరే,
ఆడేసుకోండి.
మొత్తానికి ఇప్పుడు నాటుకోడి తింటున్నామా ఇంపోర్టెడ్ కోడి తింటున్నామా?
నేను వెజ్, మీరిద్దరు నాన్ వెజ్.
ఓకే, సో సార్ ప్యూర్ వెజ్, మేమేమో ప్యూర్ నాన్ వెజ్. సో మొత్తానికి
ఈ మధ్య ఎంట్రీ ఇచ్చాడు, మమ్మల్ని చెడగొట్టడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాం కానీ రావట్లేదు.
సో అరేబియన్ మండి ఈజ్ ఆర్ లంచ్ ఫర్ టుడే. కబ్సానా? कब्सा फुल कब्सा को कब्जा कर देते हम लोग. इतना ज़्यादा करता, ये ना सिर्फ राइस को करता, अपन फ्राई पीस को करते. So guys, lunch is done. We are heading back to the workshop and few minor checks and things to be done for the bike to become spick and span as good as new. So let's see how the rest of the day unfolds. So Venkat, so basic diagnostics are like, but we'll do a proper general services. So with oil filter change, oil change,
oil filter, coolant, change brake, clutch, brakes, headlights, all service pura total.
And if you are wondering about the actual charm and the confidence behind the beautiful smile this guy has, you can check these out. He is the topper. He has such a proud moment as a fellow brother. Yeah, he is a topper here in entire nation. He has won this as he's stood first when it comes to technical brilliance and technical excellence and offering quality care for all the super bikes, including bike like that. Beautiful, isn't she? The R1 Cross Plane. So let's get going. Now the first thing I wanted removed was these grab bars. So I don't like them. Actually, it is functional for me. I like my bike nice and clean and slick. So I think removing these will add a lot more sharpness to the motorcycle. And yeah, so that's the plan to begin with, and let's see what else adds on. Wow, what's on the menu today? Yamaha lube, LED flasher. So please note, this is an official LED flasher accessory from Yamaha. You can get these added on to MT or R15 as well. All Yamaha motorcycles. Okay, thank you so much. So we have the engine oil, right?
Yes.
And this is chain clean, oil filter, and this is chain lube by the chain lube. चेन क्लीन. सो दावत के लिए रेडी हमारे MT-15. एंजॉय करो. So guys, the LED flasher is on. Looks a lot more gorgeous, more striking. We have 4 LED bulbs inside, so it looks really worth every penny. What's the price of this?
1,500 rupees. Two pieces.
2 pieces means front and rear?
No.
Only front.
3,000.
So 3,000 if you need a set of 4 for front and rear. So पीछे वाले indicators be in place. You have 4 lighting elements, is what I told earlier also. Looks cool. Okay, bye log. Welcome to another day. So what happened yesterday was it started pouring absolutely cats and dogs. It was a heavy downpour and we had to head back home once the rain stopped. And it was a great day. Getting everything back to what it should be actually. Though this wasn't used as much, very sparingly used
so we had to check all the necessary things, like I got the engine oil changed, the oil filter changed, the air filter cleaned, and we got these LED turn blinkers installed that are officially available from Yamaha. So yes, the white Ranger is now home. The MT-15 is going to be part of the Dino's World family from today onwards. So today we are headed to a good viewpoint where you're supposed to have a lake on both sides, and yeah, get kind of a proper intro. Thanks to Monster Energy for always supporting my vision. These are the gloves sent to me just yesterday by Monster Energy India, and thanks for always supporting my vision, acknowledging my effort in creating pure automobile content. Now this is not a paid collaboration, it's just a kind of acknowledgement from their side, which means a lot, that Monster Energy is appreciating and supporting my vision. So back to MT-15. The best part is it is such an easy bike to ride and flick around. It's an absolute delight in the city. It's tailor-made to thrive and rule the city streets. So these are the corners you need to be a little careful, because you see the car was coming out of nowhere. The tractor kind of blocked my view, but I could spot it in the corner of my eye, and just refrained or restrained myself from going full throttle or trying to pull off a Rossi. Now this is a single lane road, so it's all the more dangerous. There's no divider in between, and we have a two-way traffic, so just contain your enthusiasm. This is a newly laid road, so it's absolutely butter smooth. It's almost like heaven on earth. And this white color Ice Flew Over Million was my personal favorite when I actually cast my eyes on it at the launch event, press launch event of the new Fascino 125 which they had launched, and the Street Rally 125 which they had launched. Both are very capable scooters. I'll try and do another update review on those. The Fascino has gotten a facelift as well. So overall I'm really happy. I thought a lot. I wanted an upright seating posture, easy to flick around, city street fighter, and this is more like a motard motorcycle. It's so compact, it's so lightweight. You don't feel you're riding a bike. You feel as if you're floating through air using a space motorcycle. That's how lightweight and effortless and refined and well put together this bike is from Yamaha. Yes, we don't get upside down forks. Yes, we don't get the aluminum swing arm that the international variant gets, but still for Indian conditions I think we don't need USD forks, because maintaining them becomes a lot of hassle because of the undulations that prevail in some of the city roads. The fork seals kind of tend to break, and there's a lot of fork oil leakage that tends to happen every now and then. So I feel conventional telescopic forks, 41mm forks is what we get here. I think this is more than enough for a good front end feel. Can't wait to unleash this on a track day soon. But hold on as we head to the viewpoint now, and I think this is the viewpoint. That's Vicky. He's the Yamaha ride captain actually. Ide kada my biker brother, almost like a brother from another mother. Both Vicky and Gautam, his actually elder brother. And Surya is missing in action actually. All like one family, and you can see this is the view. How do you like it? Glorious, isn't it? Absolutely brilliant. Small pond kind of a setting adds on to the visual appeal, but I think it's kind of hidden behind the trees now because of the rains coming in. And let's see how the rest of this vlog goes. A little bit of dirt bike mode on this motard. because of the center set foot pegs. It's easier for me to stand up and ride. Handlebar is slightly lower, but still you can manage. Beautiful, beautiful location. Okay, so Vicky wants to get in there right next to the lake, so let's see how the route goes. It's pretty easy. Absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, so here we are at the location. The viewpoint that I was talking about. Isn't this beautiful? Absolutely breathtaking. Nice lake background, and the White Knight, or the White Ranger is what I choose to call her. And it's been a great day. Yesterday it started really well. Really happy. This is my birthday month, for your reference. July 13th is my birthday. And what better feeling than bringing home a new bike. So this year God has blessed me with 2 bikes, not only the Daytona but also this one, the daily driver, and an absolute hooligan when it comes to ruling the streets. So yeah, thanks to Vicky for sticking around, helping me take some good breathtaking animated snaps or pictures, which you might have seen in the thumbnail. And for those who aren't aware, he's the ride captain here for Yamaha. So if you're riding a Yamaha motorcycle, you want to get in touch with him. Blue Streaks Hyderabad. So follow Blue Streaks Hyderabad on Instagram, and he'll be adding you onto the group such that you'll be allowed to become a part of official Yamaha rides that are organized on a regular basis, right? And also personally, he has a initiative called Machine Mods. He deals with accessories and tires, most importantly these days. Not easy to procure good quality, 2021 make tires. So he deals with that. So just in case you're looking for a tire replacement, I'll leave a contact number in the description portion below. You can get in touch with him. Really proud of him as a biker brother. As an entrepreneur, solo entrepreneur, he is trying his best to serve the motorcycling community here in Hyderabad. So wishing him all the best with that. And ఇంత పొగడాను సో నా మాన్స్టర్ నాకే ఇస్తున్నాడు. ఇది దిస్ ఈస్ ది పొలిటికల్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ హిస్ గ్రేట్ బ్రదర్ Gautam. He'll try and introduce him later on. He is a very special person with a very special attributes. You might have seen him in previous vlogs. He rides a Dominar matte black. So yeah, more travel vlogs coming up, more interesting stuff. For now, we're going to enjoy the view, enjoy the motorcycle, and you stay tuned for more action right here at Dino's Vault.